Hi, I'm Anish Koshy and I work for a bank. I attended the cyber incident planning and response training that was facilitated by Amar Singh. It was a wonderful training, a lot of knowledge, a lot of takebacks. We went through multiple scenarios of how to identify, manage, and respond to cyber incidents through a lot of kill chain process and how the response process needs to work. The entire team really enjoyed this training, and we have a lot of takebacks for us to go back and implement wherever we work. Thank you.